Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Sama rotate off, right? Back गर्न मुजी लामो What the f, man?
Not going far. Alright. Stop. I can't. Someone just slammed into us.
And you can't park there. Oh, dude, you rubbernecker. Great. Why are they all here, dude? Why are they all here? Why? To start a revolution in the back, too. Why are they all here, bro? Why are they all here? Real talk, dude. Why are they all here? Why? Tell me why. No one else is following. Tell me why. Tell me why. Oh, I got fucked up. Yep. Okay. Yep. They're gonna block you right now. All of them watch. Okay, thank you. Everybody's blocking me. They're like, where are you going to? They're blocking because they mad. Yeah, they mad. Jesus Christ!
I'm gonna try and cut you off.
Why is that dude stopped right
He
there?
stopped?
Bro.
Great.
Oh, he dropped
oh.
He left his partner. Yeah,
Okay.
good. Am I with the
Yeah, I saw that coming. Oh!
that shit?
Hey, Garmin.
We let a car
Same
in,
video.
right? Like, that guy came in front of me.
Shit. Jesus Christ. Wow. You did not want to do that.
Turn right onto Revilla Street.
Speeds up to not let me in. Crazy.
Are you dead?
permit. Like, we speak in such absolute terms about these quarterbacks. We just do. Oh, this guy, that, this guy, this.
You're turning
this guy,
left
that.
without a
You know
signal.
what I said?
He was like, I'm going to talk to the contractor. So, because he had gotten the contractor's number. And he talked to the contractor and he said to us, don't do anything until we talk. So I'm like, fine, I'm not doing anything. But in the meantime, he goes after Siraj, who's not even, you know...
La deuxième, c'est la troisième. C'est les deux premières que tu vas voir, c'est des sens uniques. Qu'est-ce que tu fais?
The video is locked.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.